gagamitin ko alo. Pero ako depende pa rin. Minsan kasi nababoring ako eh.
Nakalilya ako. Di naman ako marunong maglilya.
So mag-ML din Try mo tayo ha.
Amen. Una pa nag-ML bago mag-review na. Sobrang mayaman ng laro ko. Tapos si Kuya Mord, nakikipag 1D para kami pa yung lugi.
Lugi na lang sa Lemord. Madali Lemord eh.
Rank 3 ba na pan?
Tapos lalo pa kayo maduduro kapag magaling gumagamit.
Tapos brawl pa kami. Hindi na alam yung
Isang lane lang.
Hindi na alam yung hero niya.
I'd say that's pretty bad deal, but we're in dire times.
I understand, but it was either that or Minute would obtain it. And we both know we would never see that crystal again.
Look at this place. We've been raiding every civilization, taking their blocks, and building our own.
I see. The towers are all made, every last ring is created, and this is just beautiful. Everything I could have ever wanted.
We have a problem, Spoke.
What do you mean?
We haven't been able to find.
We only need one end crystal. We have one more to find. We're so close.
Get back to work. Look, players have been disappearing. We show up to civilizations that should have hundreds, and there's no one there.
How was that possible?
Look, I'm pretty sure we checked their play. We followed some of these players, triangulated their position, and think minutes told them all of one location.
Of course. We're the last remaining. I knew this was going to happen. We've almost taken the entire dimension as our own, faster than anyone.
Yo!
Not fast enough. I knew they were gonna form together, collect all of their items, bring it all in one place, and I knew Minute was gonna be behind it. But
We only need one more. It must be a...
That's crazy. Nagagampo nila yung ano. That's crazy. Nanay is awake. Spider Chief is awake. Umuulan na naman.
wow. Let's finish this, guys. You know what? Stand together. No one is here yet. Just stand with me.